Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. I hope everyone saw yesterday's video. We finally completed the wheel swap Datsun FLORIDAMan chase car, and it looks awesome. I am super proud of how this turned out. It looks incredible. I stuck it back in the blister just to keep it safe and protected so she doesn't get scratched up. I did notice there was a little scratch back there, but oh well, it happens, man. No Hot Wheels ever perfect. Please have a look at that video if you'd like to see a new and different way of adding premium wheels to a mainline Hot Wheel using a 1/16 inch tube that the factory Hot Wheels pins can slide right into, be crimped on. I show the process. It's pretty cool. I was buying those custom axles from shopmonoblock.com, which is fine. They work great. They really do. But the new method we've learned is also pretty sweet. Very happy to have completed the Datsun. It looks awesome. We will have it in a Whatnot show soon. I just have to swap another mainline to have the black tires so somebody can get the chase version. It'll be really fun. We got some mail. I don't know what it is. I wasn't expecting any boxes. Nobody said anything, but we have some packages to open. I also want to open the M2 Machines Squarebody Diet Coke truck. We purchased one to open a few weeks back, yet we haven't done it. So let's do that in today's video. Cool, yeah, we got two packages at the post office from two of you. I don't know exactly who. This one, the first name on the return address is Tom. So shout out to Tom. Let's hope we've got a nice note in here so we know who to thank. We're going to cut this carefully. We're cutting the bottom, so I don't want to cut too deep into my package. Over here, we have a little protection. Wow, lots of tape. Love it. Love it. Very good packaging so far from the outside of the box. Here we go. Some blue bubble wrap. Dude, what is going on? What is this? What's going on here? All right, before we look at this stuff. Oh, I know what this is. No way, dude. Dude, this is amazing. Chris got this in trade for a Skyline hauler. You at the time were putting out videos saying, what's the big deal? I was saying to send you one of the 4 that I unpegged. Then you found one. This one is from one of the original OG collectors in the PNW. Anyway, keep up the great content and enjoy the M2. They are impossible to find in the wild. Waiting for my upcoming Whatnot shows. This is a small example of the thousands of items he will have in his inventory. And this is Tom, who is Diecast Worldwide. Shout out to you, brother. He says, sorry for the handwritten letter. It's more personal, but that's great. I love the handwritten ones. I do save all of these notes. His last name is on here, but it also says Merry Christmas. So thank you so much, Tom, Diecast Worldwide. I don't know what's in there, but I'm excited to see. All right, let's get to it. It looks like it's an M2 kind of day. Is there more than one? Oh, no, it's like a model kit. Okay, okay. I see Skylark on the back. Oh, I see something else on the back. Oh, wait, Skyline. Oh, he did it. He has sent us the model kit we've all been waiting for so we can open and build it, put it up with our collectibles, our loose collectibles. It doesn't matter if there's tape on here. We're opening this bad boy. Unless it's the chase, then we'll open the other one because you never know. People are very surprising. Wow, okay, so he really went all out with the protection on the card, huh? It's the GTR. Wow. Okay, cool. So it is the main line. We can open it. Very awesome. Diecast Worldwide. You're the man. They are impossible to find. I've only seen them drop once. Works also has been looking for this model kit, and I don't think that he's seen it. So what an amazing model kit. We are absolutely going to crack and build this bad boy. Look at the red, dude. It looks incredible. Incredible. The wheels are a little strange, but we'll go with these. Maybe I'll even just paint them black. I do have some model paint, like model spray paint, that we can paint them black. Beautiful red screwdriver in there to match the red car. Wow, thank you so much, Diecast Worldwide. This is going to be up with my loose model kits, my the Silverado we did, the Datsun truck we did. And now we can add the skyline. Super awesome. Thank you, buddy. Sorry for the audio, guys. We're using the microphone because the Florida woman is needing some silence. So I'm going to use the microphone. That way I don't have to yell. Hopefully you can hear everything okay. So box number 2 that showed up out of the blue. What do we have for you? I think this is from Eric again. He sent us an amazing box. Wow, dude, look at the stance, Morty. So, amazing person. He sends us awesome boxes, and we've even used his stickers as the background. Now, cops love me donuts. That's great, dude. You got to check out his Instagram. I'm gonna put it up in the corner right now. How's my driving? Kiss my something. Sorry, you can't show that one or that one. Okay, Fitment. Oh, that's great. Homer Simpson and Team No Good Racing. Bye bye police. Wow. So that's really cool. He has an excellent sense of humor when it comes to making these stickers. He's a really great designer. And I love seeing his work. So don't forget, it's Eric, and it's at 5D Sign Works, right? So 5D Sign Works. That's his Instagram. He also has the website. Check it out. If you need anything made, stickers, shirts, whatever, this guy can do anything. I don't know what's in here. Oh, there's a couple items in here. Oh, cool. Dude, that's incredible. Wow. Tokyo Torque, amazing Greenlight miniseries. We haven't seen them in the last year or so, maybe even more. Wow, dude. Wait, is that the Chase? Is that the Green Body Chase? Series 3? Did they come out with them again? Dude, this is incredible. It doesn't have wait. I can't figure this out. This is the Greenie. It's red with a green base, right? There's the green base. And then a Skyline 2000 with the green color body, but that is the Chase Green. That is absolutely the dark Chase Green. Do we have two green lights that are both Chases here? I can't tell. Because that one has the green wheel, but that one does not. Or is that can't be the color. Greenlight doesn't do that. I'm looking this up right now. Wow, dudes. From what I can tell, they're both a Chase. So I didn't know this. Apparently, both models. So there it is, the Greenie Greenlight Green Machine 1972 Nissan. And then when we look over here, 2018 Greenlight Tokyo Torque 1972 Nissan Green Machine. So there it is, bro. I don't know if we're looking at the same model. Eric will have to let us know in the comments. 5 Design Works. Please let us know because I'm looking at the rare green body color Chase and then the less rare greeny green base with green wheels. Dude, these are amazing. I love the Skyline 2000. It's such a cool car. It has the Datsun 510 vibes, of course, but what an incredible mail call, dude. Thank you so much, Eric. Again, at 5, right here, 5D Sign Works. Send him a message. Tell him thank you. The Florida Man loves you, bro. All right, hey, what's up, Florida Man? I'm happy you really like my last package. It's a little different this time. Oh, wait, so we should have read the note first. Both the same car, both greenies, one with the red and the green wheels and one with the green body. A little something for the holidays. Well, red and green for Christmas. Can't go wrong with that, right? That's Christmas colors, dude. That's amazing. Thank you, Eric. You're the man, bro. You really make my day with these boxes, man. It's awesome. Incredible, Eric. Another amazing package, dude. Thank you so much. I absolutely love greenies. You know that. These will not be in the Chase show. They will be in my private collection. And Merry Christmas to you too, homie. In fact, I'm going to check your return address on there. I'll confirm it with you. I'm going to send you a little something myself. I want to send you something this time. Okay, cool. Let's do it. Let's check out this beautiful square body truck. Just going to cut it right out of here, put it up with our collectible stuff. This package was damaged. Oops, sorry. This package was damaged, so that's why we're using this one to check it out. It's always such a nice surprise to see these out of the package. Very nice box. Look at that. Wow. Very cool wheels in the back. Lovely, lovely stainless looking metal finish. I thought it was a raw. I was hoping it would be a raw. It wasn't a raw, but that's okay. Does the hood open? Yes, it does, with a beautiful, what is that? Whoops, sorry. It looks like an LSA swap because there's like a supercharger on top. I think it is. I think it's an LSA looking swap. Gas tanks under the truck, air tank for the airbags, mufflers, exhaust. All right, let's unscrew this bad boy. Get a nice check on the rolling, right? We'll check the roll. Is she a roller or is she a shower? Wow, sometimes they make these screws so tight. Wow, they need to adjust those machines over there. There we go. There we go. Hello? One more. Okay. Oh, it fell right out. Okay. I think that's it. That was it. Okay, so what I noticed right away is the back axle, it's a little bit loose in there, but it's M2 machines. Yeah, it's a little loose. Okay, dude, what a cool truck. Custom frame. I almost just broke the exhaust right off. Wow, that looks great, dude. Let's see if she's a roller. I've seen worse. Well, I don't know. M2s don't roll that great. I'll just be honest, they really don't. I'm gonna send this thing down the Hot Wheels track. You should see the Hot Wheels track we got for the Florida Boy. That thing is sick. You press like a plunger thing and it can do a complete loop and flip around and sideways and all this fun stuff. I don't know if the M2 will make it, but we could try. All right, I'm gonna give you a side view here. All right, as you can see, she's wobbling. Look at that front wheel. Can you see it? Here, maybe this will help. Yeah, she's dancing. It's hard to see. You see, hippity hop, hippity hop, hippity hop, hippity hop. Oh well. M2s never roll great, but they make a beautiful, beautiful diecast. Love the headlight detail. Love the grille. Open-in motor. We're gonna leave her parked. Wait, you can't see anything. Sorry. That's what I get for zooming in. Anyway, we're gonna leave her parked just like that, with the hood up on the compound table or the stream table at the compound for a little while. And that is why we always read the notes first, right? But yeah, shout out to Eric again, another amazing package at 5D Signworks. And thank you so much at Diecast Worldwide. Please let me know when you're doing your first Whatnot show. I could schedule a show for myself or the Florida Woman, and then we could raid you, Diecast Worldwide. So let me know what's going on with that, and I'll be happy to help promote and raid your show. All right, a little bit shorter of a video today. I just kind of wanted to hang out here around the compound, clean some things up, get some things organized. We will be doing a Whatnot show Saturday night. I don't know if we'll have a video for tomorrow, but I'm certainly going to try. That being said, thank you so much, Diecast Worldwide. Thank you so much, Eric at 5D Signworks. You guys are the best. I say it all the time, but we're very lucky to have a wonderful community here. I really appreciate everybody who's in the community, who watches the videos. I hope you enjoy the content. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Have a great Friday evening.